Dude, that looks sick. We're back out here at the Kenworth W9. It's the next day after we put the bumper on.
Anytime you see this can come out, you know it's about to get dirty.
So we're gonna try to Bondo up our past job with the fiberglass, you know, and fix this crack, get some more fiberglass in there, make that structurally sound, and you Bondo this up here. But we just wiped it down clean. I'll wipe it down clean one more time, and then we'll get to work. So we got the first coat of Bondo on there. Actually, it looks pretty good. Ryan did a pretty good job. You know, we're not professionals at this. We only done this a couple times. So, but it actually looks pretty good. We got to sand it down after we let it dry. Fix that up there. And we got a little bit down in there. But we got to wait to get, for the fiberglass, we forgot a brush to put on the resin. So Ethan's going to get that right now. And we'll fix this up, let that dry, and then Bondo that up. And so this side's pretty much done. Ryan's fixing the dents and scratches on this side. So we got those cleaned up over there. And he's fixing that top one right there. And then we got this big scratch down in here. Keep you guys updated. Yeehaw. So we're still sanding the first coat of the Bondo that we put on there. This one, still got to put some more. There's a little divot right here, but it's coming out pretty good, I think so. And we put some fiberglass matting on the back side, and then on the front some like kitty hair stuff. And it looks pretty good. Hopefully it holds up there. And we got this. We gotta do some more there. The sanding is a mess. Then we got our spots over here sanded down. He's still working on them. Yeah, it's coming out pretty good though. It takes a while. I didn't think it really took that long, but it's been here for a while doing this, and it's demanding. It's a lot of energy putting in to moving a piece of sandpaper back and forth. Alright guys, so we're putting on the second coat of Bondo here. We sanded on the first coat, and we ended up sanding a little bit more than what we originally planned to, but there's a bunch of rock chips and stuff on these fenders, so we're just trying to get them all smooth. Might as well do it all right now as we can. But yeah, got to fill in a couple more little dents here and there, but sooner or later it'll be done. Hey guys, so the fiberglass patchwork that we did here, the backside's still wet, but this side was dry, so we sanded it down. It's pretty good. So it's a little soft still here, where that crack was down at the bottom, but once that backside hardens up, it'll be good. But we just gotta fill it with some Bondo and sand it down. It should be good. Ryan's working on the parts that we put the second coat of Bondo on, and it's actually coming together pretty good. It's just surprise. I mean, we've done this a couple times, Bondo work and fiberglass, but we're not experts, and it's actually looking really nice. So we're back and got this driver's side done. Smooth, looks really good. Surprised how well we did with it. So we're doing Ryan's taping off right now, taping off the light housing and the chrome, so we can spray some primer on these spots until we can find the correct paint for the fenders, this maroon color. But yeah, super impressed on what we did. Finished passenger side. This section right here gave us a lot of problem, and then this section a little bit too. But it's all smooth, looks pretty good. So we're about to spray some primer on the spots that we sanded down, and Ryan's taping off the headlights, and we taped off the marker light up there.
We're gonna go ahead and get this side primed in. We're just using a simple Rust-Oleum primer sealer. Get that all sealed in, so that way this truck can go sit back outside. Before we paint it, we're gonna do a 400 wet sand and then scuff it with a little scuffing pad and then spray the color. But for now, we wanna get this primed in so this truck can go sit back outside. just wrapping up here, finally cleaned everything up, got these primed in. This was beaten in right here. It's almost like it hit something. So to see this reshaped and reformed out looks amazing. Primer, we can easily see there's definitely some spots that we have to come and touch up, but from what this was to what it is now is just light years ahead, especially with this nice chrome bumper. It only took us like 2 days to get it on, but it definitely looks awesome. So we're gonna call it a day for right now. We gotta come back tomorrow. We're gonna match this red up so we can kind of get an exact match to spray these back over. But like I said, we're gonna finish cleaning up. It's raining outside. We got to pull this back out to make room for other stuff in the garage here. So we're gonna call that a day, and we'll be back tomorrow with some paint and get these all sealed in and painted up.